Hello students, welcome to online classes of Mahatma Gandhi Government School Seva. Today we are going to discuss topic simple equations. The main word is equation. Before we are going to discuss equation, we have to discuss some fundamental words which are related to equation. First is variable. What is variable? If we are taking anything which has a versatile or volatile value means which change the value of anything change with situation. It's called variable. Like if I said x, y, z, p, q, r, sigma, anything can be variable, but its value should not be static. Static. If I said I am taking number of students as variable, because every class have different strength of students, it means the value of x changing with situation or circumstance. Another thing is constant. Constant, anything which has a defined value in any situation. If I write 2, the value of 2 will remain 2 in any situation. It does not change. But the value of x will change according to situation. Like number of students will, or the strength of student will change according to class. But if I say 2 students, it means 2. If I said 2 toffees, it means 2 in number. So anything which is constant. Now we are going to discuss use of these variables and constants. If I say that x 4x plus 3y plus 2 greater than 0, this will called as expression. This will called as expression. Expression means anything or any data have two things. One is constant. What is constant? This is constant, and this is variable. Combinations of both constant plus variable, but there is no sign of equality. If I write 4x plus 2 equal to 7, it means it has sign of equality. This side is called right hand side. This is called left hand side. In equation, two things are must. One is presence of variable and equality of sign of equality. If I said RHS equal to LHS, this is the equation. So there is two conditions for being an equation. What is? There should be a variable and there should be a sign of equality. Sign of equality shows this right hand side is equal to left hand side. So we got the equation. Anything, it means we can write equation as any expression which has sign of equality and variable. Now we will see how we can solve the equation. 4x plus 2 equal to 3. This is the expression. There are multiple ways. If I use this as a divisor in both sides or as a addition, if I add 2 in both sides, what will happen? 4x plus 2 equal to 3 plus 2. 4x plus 4 equal to 5. If I will move this to this side, what will happen? 4x equal to 5 minus 4. If we transfer any digit or anything from this side to this side, there will always change place of sign. If in this side anything in multiple will change to division. If in this side addition, change to subtraction. This will change to 1. 4x barabar minus 1. Now this is in the multiplication. After transfer it will change to division. So the value of x will be 1 by 4. There are other ways to solve this. 4x plus 2 equal to 3. We will divide it by 4. 4x plus 2 upon 4 equal to upon 4 x plus 2 barabar 3. Now I will transfer it to here. 3 upon 4 minus 2. 4 3 minus 5 upon 4. So this is the way to solve these simple equations. So in equation there is two things. There should be a sign of equality and there should be a variable. So these are the topics in this unit 4 only. Left are excluded from the syllabus for session 2020 and 21 due to COVID. This is the new syllabus. So today's homework. Exercise 4.1 and 4.3. Do this in fair copy of maths and submit 5 questions from these exercises on sheet in school. Thank you.